Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I noticed on Popsocket.com that they had new Popsocket Pop Lip Balm. Of course they have the Burt's Bees now, which is for people who love Burt's Bees. I know it's really popular. They have refills. Now this is the one I have, and I have a video about it, and it's cotton candy, and I just think it's so cute, and the lip balm smells really good, and I've used it once, but I mainly just smell it because it smells like cotton candy. Now they have birthday cake, and it's so cute, but it's an online exclusive. And I just want the birthday cake one because it's so cute. It would look so cute on your phone. So I'm thinking of getting that one. And then they have a strawberry one, which I don't remember seeing the strawberry one before, because when I shopped for these at Target, they only had the cherry one, the vanilla one, and the cotton candy one, which I got. So the other new one is a watermelon, and I think that one would be super good. Now I have this one, which is vanilla, and I was going to give it as a gift, but I ended up keeping it. And then here's the cherry one that they also sell at Target. And then for Christmas, I didn't know they had a candy cane one. That would have been so cute on my phone. And then they have a blue raspberry one. So if you have like a blue phone, the blue raspberry one would be so cute. But I think I want the birthday cake one. I have the vanilla one. I have the cotton candy one. And I would have got this candy cane one for Christmas, but I went ahead and I bought a Christmas pop socket at Target. And it ended up being super cute on my phone. I don't know if I ever showed you guys my Christmas phone case, but I think I did at the end of one of my videos. But Popsocket has really stepped up their game. They have pop wallets, they have face masks now, they have mounts, and I thought this was interesting. They have a wireless charger now where your phone fits in it with its pop socket. And that was always my problem, is my pop socket gets in the way of the wireless charger. I just think pop sockets are so like handy, and like when you have your phone, it just helps you hold it, and it's very strong. You just can't take it off and put it back on. I know a lot of people will do that, and then the pop socket loses its like strength. But I usually just buy a new case when I want to take my pop socket off. Like if I want a new pop socket, I usually buy a new case. But I don't know, not everybody's like that. But they also have the pop tops where you can just put a different top over your existing pop socket. And I love this one. It's like glitter on it, the inside, and it's a water, like a water globe. This one you can put little like trinkets in it. Then they have the ones with the AirPod holders. This one's cute. It's a mirror. And then they have cups with pop sockets. So I just wanted to share with you that there were more pop socket lip balm pop lips on Popsocket.com, and I did find some of them on Amazon too. And I'm going to go to Target and see if maybe my Target has any new ones. But I just wanted to update you guys. So subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.